USDSEK. So like I say, this is my pair. I like to take risk on this pair because I just like the movement of this pair. It's my favorite pair. So right now, I would say just looking at it, you can say and think that the better trade would be to wait for it to come down here and retest this level and you know give us some more bullish sentiment, and that's honestly a great play. But then once you go to the daily, it looks a little ugly. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very very ugly. So if USD is still as crazy bullish as it was last week, I might just wait for it to give me something here and then head back up. And this bullish run is probably not over as well, or like on a real, we could be about to like see something crazy like this that's about to happen. But USD has been pretty bullish, so these are the two plays for USD SEC. We're gonna wait for it to come back into this level here, or we're gonna catch a small intraday trade here and continue the bullish wave. But for the most part, I'm just gonna sit on my hands because it's not too clean. I don't see exactly what can happen, so I don't want to make things up in my head. So I'll just sit on my hands until the trade and the setup is as clear as day, like real spill, like as clear as day.